How to share music in Instagram DMs. Let's get started. First, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now in the search box, type in the app name Instagram and then search for it. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of its update process, you can launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now, click on the message icon given at the top right corner. You will be directed to the conversations page. Now, open the conversation with the person to whom you want to send the music. At the bottom, you're going to find the message box. And here, you're going to find different icons. Click on the sticker icon. Now, click on the sticker icon again. Here, you will find the option of music. Click on that. Different music options will appear. You can also search for the specific music that you want to send. After music appears, click on it. It will be sent. So this is how you can send music in Instagram DM. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.